Now, physics in Bible, center of gravity in the Bible is called the heart. In Proverbs 4:23, keep thy heart with all diligence, for out of it are the issues of life. The center of gravity. So center of gravity, CG, the heart of a body, of a man, is defined as a point through which the line of actions, the actions of life, of the weights, of the challenges of life, the thoughts of life, the conditions of life of the man, of the body, always passes, irrespective of the position of the body, which is the heart. So it is also the point at which the entire weight of the body appears to be concentrated, and that is a fact. So you have been commanded to take note about the heart. In Proverbs 4:23, Jeremiah 17:9 and 10, you can see more on our blog. Good heart, the center of gravity, the good center of gravity, Psalm 45 verse 1, Psalm 73 verse 1, and many more on our blog. Evil from the heart, the center of gravity. Evil can originate out of it. In Mark chapter 7 verse 21 to 23, Genesis 6:5, Matthew 9:4. Then we have the balanced lifestyle. 1 Timothy 3 verse 1 to 14, Titus 2 1 to 15. The point of action in Ezekiel 48 verse 8, 10, 21, and Revelation 7:17. Then the capital of action is the heart, the center of gravity, Ezekiel 48:15, Judges 9:37. Then the strengthened heart, the strengthened center of gravity, Psalm 27 verse 14, Psalm 31 verse 24, and many more. So positions of the center of gravity for some regular uniform bodies can be found as seen on your screen. Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.